Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. Today we're going to talking about some great news for the foreigner-run charities here in town. As always, if you need more information, simply click on any of the links in the descriptive box below, including one out to Amazon.com that have all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books for sale. Readers were surprised to see a piece on the cover of the Attention newspaper this week about the new NGO, or non-government organization. It's kind of another word for charity. The new NGO law, since the new law specifically targets NGOs like the English Library that owns the paper. Well, any NGO that is running a business in fields unrelated to their mission statement. A perspective I've lobbied for years and will help NGOs become more focused by forcing them to drop their newspapers, restaurants, tours, and stores, and any other non-related business, many of which drain donor donations. Unfortunately, the act of a charity running one or several businesses has become ripe with corruption and conflicts of interest. For example, if the charity's focus is dental care for children, why are they in an unrelated business getting income and tax bonuses a Mexican citizen in that exact same business can't receive? On a more macro level, volunteer management, meaning to focus on teaching art, for example, spends most of their time running businesses unrelated to the mission statement and often to the mission's deterrent, as funds and time are poured into the business instead of the charity. Of course, there's nothing wrong with fundraising, an auction here, a concert there, but the new law sees that as different than running an actual business, often called a social enterprise to make it sound, well, less businessy. As with any transition, there will be adjustments to be made, but in the bigger view, the charities can return to be solely focused on what they do best, providing a product or a service to help those less fortunate. While taking a charity out of the business of running an unrelated business, the government is ensuring the services provided will improve in quality. A win-win for everyone involved: employees, volunteers, clients, and of course the government. As always, if you want to stay informed on San Miguel de Allende secrets, simply click the subscribe button below, and you'll get nearly daily notifications of new videos that are released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.